Hello guys! Gawa tayo ng marinade guys. May ano ako dito, may pork chop. So, gawa tayo ng marinade para ma-marinate na natin. So, I have here chili powder. Lagyan natin konti. Mabango. Chili powder. Mag-experiment ako guys. And then cumin.
Mom, can I have this?
Cumin. Yeah, sure. Anak. And then what is this? Sweet paprika.
How can I open it?
Can you ask that, my love, please? Okay, here, I will help you.
Got it?
Oh, you got
Got
it?
it.
Yeah, good job. Okay. Yung anak ko nag-open ng ano, biscuit.
What's that?
Paprika. Sweet paprika, anak. Bless you. And then, I have here garlic herb. Wala na akong onion powder at garlic powder. So, garlic herb na lang ilagay ko. And then, brown sugar. Sorry guys, hindi ako kasi nagme-measure. Tinatansya ko lang. So, soy sauce. Paubos na yung soy sauce ko. Siguro ilagay ko na lahat to. Soy sauce. At saka olive oil. Olive oil. I-mix na natin. Yan. Mix lang. Natin ng maigi. Yan ang itsura. Tikman natin. Masarap siya guys. Medyo strong ang lasa, pero masarap. So, ito na yung marinade natin guys. Ilagay na natin. Let's pour it over the meat. Marinate lang natin ng mga 30 minutes tapos i-grill natin or pan fry. I-mix lang at haluin ng maigi para ma-spread evenly yung marinade sa meat. So, okay na to guys. Takpan natin ng cling wrap or plastic wrap. Tapos, i-marinate natin ng 30 minutes. Ilagay natin sa fridge ng 30 minutes. Hi guys! Ito na pala yung na-marinate natin na pork chop. So, i-grill na natin. So, nagpainit na ako dito ng pan with oil. So, grill na natin. See? Okay. Add more. Siguro 3 ang kasya. There you go. 3 lang ang ilagay natin para may enough space sa kanila. Para hindi sila mag-away. Okay, ano lang natin, pan fry or grill. And each side, I think, 5 to 6 minutes. Ang bango guys, naamoy ko yung marinade. Yung smoked paprika, cumin. Ito ba yung nilagay ko? Ang bango siya. Tingnan natin guys. Flip natin. Wow! Ang ganda ng itsura niya. Mukhang masarap siya. Diba guys? Guys, tingnan natin. I think luto na siya. Pwede na natin siya tanggalin. Tanggalin na natin guys. I have plate here. A layered paper towel para na-absorb yung oil. And then, I'm gonna cook the rest. Sarap. Mabango. So, ilagay na natin. Yes, my love.
Am I allowed to have candy?
Candy?
Yeah.
After dinner, you can have a little bit.
But not chocolate?
No. Candy. Candy is not good.
We can just have a little bit of candy.
A little bit. If you guys eat good dinner.
I just want this one candy.
Okay. Ito na guys. Nag-load ako ulit ng isa.
We're just gonna eat one now before.
Guys, luto na yung second batch. So, short time na lang siya, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kain na tayo. May rice na rin ako dito. Luto na. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Kain na.